because they are marketing this top game so much in Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. And people are still falling into this. So a lot of people, 177,000 people I mean, in their group chat are begging them for the withdrawal. So ito yung this is the chat of the chat because I was asking how to withdraw uh, my earnings in Top Tether. So this is the chat of the Lysan Santo, one of the support. So for the users who have made deposits in Top Tether, we are currently enhancing our withdrawal system. So they're asking you to deposit more money to TRC. So they are routing all the funds now to TRC because more and more are reporting them in turn. So they are asking the people to make more more deposits to their TRC 20 network wallet because their Ton wallet is being watched by people and maybe already uh, held by the Ton network or maybe I don't know because there is no movement of the deposit wallet is maybe freeze. They cannot take out the money, so I don't know what's happening. But the withdrawal wallet, no movement at all. For 4 days, no movement. So this is the chat because I PM her because in the group chat she was telling people to PM her if want to withdraw the funds because everybody is asking for the withdrawal and nobody gets anything. So this is my reply. I told her that why I have to deposit more. I have invested already on your project because more or less I have invested on all accounts. I have invested like 335 package and four 35 package and 110. So that is I have like left $220 to be not to be mined on that game. But I stopped the game because I know that it's already fraud. So he was telling me that if you have made a withdrawal, then screenshot or something, attach the photo of the deposit and tap on your top tether ID. So if you deposit your money there, then you are adding more to your loss. So that's bullshit. So I told her that if she can agree, I will deposit all my gains on that game to that TRC address. But she didn't reply anymore because they want the new money. The money that I have on my account is already in their network. So they want new money because they want to uh, more funds for this scam. So I have reported them. I have tagged this Ton Network CEO and the Ton official blockchain channel or the account of Ton. And I made all the replies on their post on Twitter just for the people, because I don't have that much network. So if one people can read, then that people will share, and more people will be aware of this scam. So thank you.